Hey, what's up guys? So we're sitting here in our car for a reason, because I got some rims in the back. I will show you guys in just about 10 seconds to the car wash, and we're gonna wash those rims because they are secondhand rims and they're completely dirty. So we're gonna see if we can clean them up a little bit and fit them under this car. So for the people who have not seen my Mazda yet, this is a Mazda 2 from 2004. So this is the front end. I mean, it's a pretty decent looking car, honestly, for 2004. Right now the wheels are steely, so the point is that we will get those replaced with the other rims. So the nice thing is they are identical size, which is crazy. But yeah, so this here, that's my car. It's my second car, honestly, in Belgium. The first one was an Alfa Romeo 159, but there was way too many issues with that, so I changed into this car. Anyways, that was it for this video. If you also want to see me put the rims on the vehicle, then please like for part 2. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.